this industry is doing a hard thing, right? It's trying to take a knowledge asset and it's trying to turn that into a real thing. It's, if all you had to do was build something on your computer, like, we'd probably be zero RFIs on a construction progress if we lived in the digital world. But what we're trying to do, what are all the different firms are trying to do, is very difficult. It's trying to imagine something in an empty space that doesn't exist, draw that, and then actually build it. So I think that, it's hard and it's probably not possible to do a design so perfectly that result in zero RFIs, because everything in the physical world doesn't follow a schedule. Things happen. Spaces aren't the same shape that you thought they were when you were looking at it from a bird's eye view. So yeah, I think that sure, the designs aren't perfect, but nothing ever is.
I really like the way you frame that there. We're taking a knowledge asset and we're turning that into a real thing. And we're doing it in a unique space. It's not a cookie cutter thing that we're doing at all. So I think that's terrific that you said that what we're doing here is very, very difficult. So what is it that we can do, do you think, to reduce that tension? And let's just assume that we're not going to lay blame on the designer. We're not going to lay blame on the contractor. We're all in this together. We're going to have a good attitude about it, so to speak. What can we do to reduce that tension around RFIs?
Yeah, and I think that's taking ownership on both sides to provide the appropriate context around the RFI and make sure that it's submitted to all the people that need to answer the question with that context attached. So, where is it in the drawing? Can we relate? And this is something where technology can start to help more. Can we relate the RFI to a point in the drawing, the 2D drawing, which would make up the basis of underlying contract document, as well as the 3D model? And can we make sure that gets distributed to the designer and then any of the other people within the design side of it, the consultants and the engineers, with all that stuff attached, and then go back and then sync back to the construction side with that context as well? It's just going to lead to faster resolution, where you can work within the context of, to the best of your ability, work within the context of the thing you're trying to address.